Welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to delete your Instagram account. So first you need to open your Instagram app. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. Now I want you to tap on account center. Then tap on personal details. Under the personal details option, tap on account ownership and control. And then tap on the activation or deletion. Now choose the account that you want to delete. Now choose if you want to deactivate or permanent delete your account. And then choose the reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. Then tap on continue. And then here, as you can see, you can now put your password and then tap on continue. Now, finally, you can now delete your account. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you for the next video.